Mark Tilley from Dirtbike Magazine. Today we're really excited for two reasons. We have the brand new 2015 KTM Freeride, and we have Cody Webb, the 2014 Endurocross champion, to show us what this bike can do. The KTM Freeride is a very simple design. It's based off a trials bike. The engine has lots of low-end power and excels on tight technical trails, designed for beginner and novice trail riders. Unique to the marketplace, KTM's brand new Freeride combines the fun of a trials bike with the quality of a trail bike. For more on the KTM Freeride and unique motorcycles like it, check out dirtbikemagazine.com.